Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. In the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Okay, good morning, class!
Good morning, Teacher Abby. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
Before you take your seats, can you please pick some pieces of papers around your areas? And if there's none, and you're already done, you may take your seats.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Let's have your attendance first. Say present if your name is called. Albina?
Absent.
Ramana?
Present.
Angko?
Absent.
Andy?
Present.
Alak? Batito?
Absent.
Balyares?
Present.
Smith?
Absent.
Bohol?
Absent.
Buka?
Absent.
Datong? Kanyas? Carpio?
Absent.
Cartagena?
Absent.
Catalan?
Present.
Sinabre?
Absent.
Corpo?
Absent.
Dilag?
Absent.
Buyakon?
Absent.
Encuentro?
Absent.
Esma?
Absent.
Tolentino? Jambo?
Absent.
Garbo? Gregory?
Absent.
Ibanez?
Absent.
Limpag? Locostales?
Absent.
Lupugan?
Absent.
Mapandos?
Absent.
Magano?
Absent.
Magiog?
Absent.
Manluya? Mapanaw?
Absent.
Masanay?
Absent.
Mendoza?
Present.
Yes!
Absent.
Maguaya?
Absent.
And Villamora?
Absent. Tayo po, teacher.
Hi, Tyler!
Present, teacher.
Okay, seems like a lot of you are not present today, no? Please help me to inform your classmates na next time, kung mag-absent sila, kindly please inform me para at least alam ko paano mga rason nila. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
By the way, how are you, class?
We're doing well, teacher.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, what I have here is a classroom rules. I set these classroom rules for you, class, to follow throughout the discussion. Can you please read our classroom rules?
Here the classroom is. Respect everyone. Raise your hand before you speak. Participate actively.
Yes, Garbo, you have any ideas? Yes, yes. Yes, what's your last name? Mambuyan. Okay. Now, what we have here is a set of jumbled letters. Now, what do you think is the word? What do you think is the hidden word? Yes, Mendoza.
Addiction for teacher.
Yes, very good. Now, we have a different types of addictions, right? We have addiction in this, that, and such. Now, for you, when you heard the word addiction, what comes into your mind first?
Bad teacher.
Yes, thank you. Yes, anyone?
Harmful for teacher.
Okay, thank you. Who got any other answer? When we say addiction, we have addiction in games, addiction in foods, addiction in addiction and collecting cups. But for you, what is the common word when you heard the word addiction? Yes, it does.
Addiction of drugs for teacher.
Yes, very good. Addiction on drugs. Though there are many types of addiction that we can't deny, the first subject that comes out to our mind when we heard the word addiction is drugs. That is why our topic for today is about the
Type of abuse drugs.
But before we proceed to our main discussion, let's have our objectives first. Can you please read everyone?
At the end of 45 minutes period, the learner should be able to explain the different types of abuse drugs, substances, and their effects, express an awareness of the danger of abusing drugs to the community, and demonstrate the effects of abusing drugs by creating an advertisement campaign.
Okay, thank you. Now, do you know, class, that there are three main drugs here in the Philippines? What do you think is it? What do you think is it? Three main drugs. Marijuana, anyone? Shabu, yes. Last one.
Alcohol,
Thank you for trying.
ecstasy,
Yes, Mendoza.
ecstasy,
Can you please stand up?
ecstasy,
Thank you. Any other answer?
cigarette teacher,
Okay, thank you. Blue. This is something that we can find in our home, and pwede siya nating and we can use it also sa pandikit.
rugby,
Yes, we have rugby or solvent. Now, what I have here, I prepared an activity for you, which is called picnic. Okay, can you please read the instructions, everyone?
The teacher will divide the class into 3 groups. One representative in each group will pick up obstacles to speak that has a type of abuse drugs within a minute. The type of abuse drug they pick is their assigned task. The students will brainstorm with their group and will transfer what they have learned so in the provided manila paper. And an app called Chooser will learn to choose one representative to explain their work.
Okay. Physically, we should have 3 groups, but maraming absent sa inyo ngayon, kaya we will only have 2 groups. And what I have here is 2 popsicle sticks. And usually, this is 3 popsicle sticks. And as what I've said earlier, maliit lang tayo, so dalawa lang ang i-provide ko ngayon. Now, in this area, this will be the group 1, and this area will be the group 2. Can you please pick some drugs. And that will be your assigned task for now. And what I have here is a Manila paper and a set of pictures and an information about the types of abuse drugs. All you have to do is to brainstorm with your groups and transfer what you have understood in this Manila paper. And class, you have to thoroughly brainstorm with your members as we have here an app called Chooser, and this app will be the one to choose who will represent your group. Okay? Group 1, what did you pick? The present group. Okay, this is for you. Group 2. You only have 1 minute to discuss with your group and present it in front. And your time starts now.
Wala akong touch dito. Are you done? How about the group 1? Not yet, teacher. Dalawa. Done na group 1? Okay. In your popsicle stick, there is a number there. Who got number 2? Okay. So group 1, you will be the first presenter, and what we have here is an app called Chooser. You have to put your fingers here. And in this case, ma-determine natin kung sino yung mag-represent. Can you please put your fingers here?
Okay, good morning everyone. So, the popsicles contain the terms depressant drugs and stimulant drugs. So, the depressant drugs is it slow down a person's central nervous system, and this drug also relaxes the muscles and nerves may malfunctions, and it also helps certain persons to be less angry, less stressed, or less tense. This also makes patients feel sleepy and lightheaded. Depressant drugs includes alcohol, barbiturates, and tranquilizers. Okay, stimulant drugs, it speed up the person's central nervous system. Also, it makes a person's energy high. Unlike the depressant drug, kung ang depressant is slow down the person, the stimulant is nag-speed up sa energy sa nervous system sa person, and it includes a negative effects which are depression and tiredness. Okay, thank you so much, Juan. So what we have here is the depressant drugs. Depressant drugs, can you please face your work here, Juan? So the depressant drugs, it is usually and commonly prescribed by the doctors, especially for those people who have depression, stress, and social anxiety. And these depressant drugs, it slows down your central nervous system, which means it also slows down the message transfer of your brain throughout your body. And in this case, the effects of this is it relaxes your muscles, and also you will going to have light head, and you will feel sleepiness. And what we also have here is stimulant. Stimulant and the depressant drugs has differences. If the depressant drug, it slows down your central nervous system, this stimulant drugs, it speeds up your central nervous system, which also means that the message transfer of your brain to your body is faster. That is why, and the example of this is the nicotine. No, the example of this is the caffeine. Now, what do you discover, or what do you, ano yung napansin nyo sa mga taong coffee lovers? Every time, ano sila? Yes, I know.
Mabilis yung heart nila mag-palpitate, teacher.
Yes, very good. Ano nga?
Sila matapos.
Kailangan sila matulog.
Okay, thank you so much. It's because the stimulant gives you an energy, and you will feel alive, and then it gives you the confidence. That is why ginagawa natin if mag-study tayo is umiinom tayo ng kape for us to stay awake. And next group 2. Okay. Can you please put your finger here? Yes, Rolito and Mendoza.
Okay, good morning everyone. We're the group 2. And we pick the gateway drugs and stimulants. Gateway drugs are cigarettes and alcohol are legal drugs that some drug user might try. As you can see in this picture, this is the gateway drugs. But now when we say inhalers, it is substance that is commonly found in our household products, and also that produces a chemical that we inhale for the person who engage in inhalants. And also, if a person is continuous using inhalants, it could lead to liver damage, dilutions, brain damage, and also it could lead him or her to death.
Okay, thank you so much. So what we have here is inhalants, from the word inhale. No? Yung mga naaamoy natin, mga foul na scent, which is somewhat ironically we found pleasing chemical cleaner, and the rugby. And also, inhalants, it also gives you an effect which is the hallucinations. For example, yung mga tao sa kalsada, yung mga bata sa kalsada na nag-hihit ng rugby, diba? They use it for them to feel relief para daw pampapatay ng gutom nila. And of course, it causes hallucinations. Are you familiar with the song na alam ko ang tama mali pero ako'y sagot na? That song that explains the hallucinations. So you know what is right and wrong, but because of the hallucination, hindi mo na alam kung ano ang nagagawa mo. And what we have here is gateway drugs. The example of this is cigarettes and alcohol. It is called gateway drugs because ito yung nagiging daan at ito yung nagiging pintong daan natin for us to, if magta-try tayo ng cigarettes, this will be parang first step natin to get curious and try other harmful drugs. Okay, now, are you ready for our next activity?
Yes, teacher!
Okay. What we have here is an activity that is called. Can you please read the instructions?
With the same group, using cell phone and editor app, each group will create an advertisement campaign that showcases the effect of using drugs and drug prevention. The video must only last for about 30 seconds or 1 minute. One representative in each group will present their work to the class.
Okay, what you are going to do with the same group, you have to make an advertisement campaign. Are you familiar with the War on Drugs campaign of
Yes, teacher.
yung wag yung ano,
Yes.
that's the example na gagawin ninyo. All you have to do is to videotape yourself or your groups and then edit it and then right now and then pass it to me later. And what we have here is a criteria. And you only have 2 minutes to finish the task. And your time starts now. Yes. Basta wag lang kayo lumabas, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Alam niyo ba, may mga paraan upang maiwasan ang pag-i-relax.
Ang mga solusyon ay wala ko dito. Ito ang solusyon. Ang mga solusyon. Ito ang mga pag-iwasan ng relax, family, friends, hobbies, recreational days, and also self-therapy. Kaya, advice to go to doctor na. Bye.
Tapos na ba ang lahat?
Lapit na po, teacher.
Basta po kami, teacher.
How about the group 1?
Lapit na, teacher.
And then have the grade 3. Check. Good. Group 1, are you done? Okay, your time is up. Can you please present your work, Group 1?
Ito po, teacher. Ilan po, teacher?
Okay, thank you so much. How about the group 2?
Ito sa amin, teacher.
Maiwasan ang pag-i-relax.
Okay, thank you so much. So for the group 1, in content and message, I give you 4 because your message is accurate and but it lacks some compelling contents. And for your creativity and originality, the presentation captures the audience's attention, but the quality of the video is not clear. And then we have the technical quality, I gave you 2 points because it has distracting noises and somewhat the editing skills is pero medyo nitwak tayo doon. And then for the group 4, for content and message, I gave you 4 also because it has an accurate message but it's somewhat lacking. And then for your creativity and originality for presentation, it captures the audience's attention. And then for your technical quality, I gave you 4 because though it has a minor technical issues, but the quality of your video is clear. And then for team collaboration, I gave you 4. So for group 1, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. For group 2, you have 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, for group 1, you have 13 points. For group 2, you have 15 points. Now, let's have another activity which is entitled
Teamwork up.
Okay. Can you please read the instructions, everyone?
Using Blackboard app, each group will create an awareness slogan banner regarding abuse drugs within 1 minute. Each group will present and explain their slogan banner.
Okay. Di ba I asked you last night to install an LED board app? If you haven't installed it yet, you can have your alternative editing apps. You can use the Messenger, Instagram, or CapCut, or whatever editing apps you have in your phone. So all you have to do is you create a banner or a slogan which contains an awareness against abuse drugs. So you only have 1 minute to complete your task. And also class, what I have here is a criteria. How about the group 1?
For that teacher.
Group 1? Okay, time's up. Let's have the first group. Can you please present your words here in front? Can I have your criteria sheet, please?
Good morning, everyone. The banner that we make is this picture. We highlight the drugs and side to side of this banner is the natural science, gateway, and vigilance. And hashtag stop using drugs and hashtag safety your life.
Okay, thank you so much, group 1. How about the group 2?
Using that board app, we came up to this idea. Please read everyone. Inhale, exhale, but just the air. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
9,
Lastly,
11.
okay, so for group 1 we have 9 over 15, and then for group 2 we have 11 over 15. Okay,
Yay.
now, what we have here is a fact or blog activity. Have you downloaded what I sent sa GC now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So what we're going to do here is I will present a statement and you are going to determine if is it fact or bluff. Fact for green and red for bluff. And here is the first statement. Is it a fact or bluff?
Fact.
Okay. Is it fact? So the answer is fact. Very good. Why do you think is it fact? Yes, Mendoza.
Because gateway drugs can lead us to any harmful and it can lead us into chronic diseases for future.
Okay, thank you so much. And now the second statement.
The presence drugs. Block.
Is it fact or bluff? Okay, is it bluff? Let's see. Bluff. Very good. Why do you think is it bluff? Yes, Mendoza again. Any other hand? Yes, Rolito.
Ano po teacher? Hindi po the present time is the last of teacher.
What?
Because certain drugs has been at the central nervous system causing hyperactivity.
Okay, because the present drugs, it slows down your central
Nervous system.
system. Now, for the third statement, we have is it fact or bluff?
Gas.
Is it bluff? Let's see.
Gas.
Why do you think is it bluff? Yes, Tayaw.
Because the stimulant picture is the speed of self.
You can call a friend, Tayaw.
See, ano po, Shella.
Yes, Shella. Correntino.
Okay, is the picture because stimulants, drugs, speed up our central nervous system, and present drugs slow down our nervous system.
Okay, very good. So that the present drugs, it slows down your central nervous system while the stimulant, it speed up your central nervous system. So now for the fourth statement. Is it fact or bluff?
Love.
Bluff. So the answer is bluff. Why do you think is it bluff? Yes, Rolito.
Because stimulants is actually found in our household for like rugby, glue, or other pagapot that can be in the
Okay, very good. Now, dahil alam niyo na kung anong ating types of drugs, are you ready for our activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this activity is called essay. So all you have to do is to answer. I've actually sent a Word document sa ating GC, and all you have to do is to access that and edit it para sa inyong answer. And if you can access the Word document, you can have your Word app and then answer it. Here is the questions.
Ano na?
Ano?
Ang dapat teacher. Hindi pa, teacher.
Okay, you only have 1 minute left.
Done na po, teacher.
Done na ba lahat?
Hindi pa.
Okay, you can send it to the GC now. At kung sino man yung late, time check na tayo. It's 12:18. Kung sino man yung nakapasa ng 12:19 is hindi na siya accepted. Okay.
Done, teacher.
Now, for your assignment, can you please read?
The teacher will divide the class in 10 groups. The students will create at least 30 seconds of 1 minute video that showcases the danger of abuse of the death and will take to a total platform to raise awareness. The score will be determined by the amount of reaction and student votes.
Okay, so this assignment is also katulad na yung ginawa nyo kanina na advertisement campaign, but you can enhance it and post it to social media, and the scores will be determined based sa inyong mga reaction. So 100 above is for 50 points, 75 to 99 will be 30 points, and then 50 to 74 will be 20 points. Okay,